Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can reset or unlock the forgotten PIN, password or pattern lock on your Samsung Galaxy S21 mobile device without losing any data. So you will be able to reset the PIN right here without erasing any data on your device. And now we're going to leave this device alone, and you need to go to a computer or you need to go to another mobile device. Here I've got the Galaxy S9. You need to go to the website called findmymobile.samsung.com. On this web page, tap on the sign in button and then put in your Samsung username, account and password, the same one that you have used on the Galaxy S21 device. So here I'm going to put in the password. I'm going to use Samsung Pass to sign in my account. The page will load up with a map trying to pinpoint the current location of the device. And at the bottom here is a menu items. You want to tap on unlock button. Again, this phone is still locked with a pin. Now it says here unlock your phone remotely when you forget your unlock method. Now if you use this function of the screen lock information, pattern, PIN or password, and biometrics on your device will be deleted. So if you're ready, tap on unlock. And then we need to put in the password to confirm. Now again, you can see here, it's still locked at the moment. So it will send a unlock command to the device, and you can see here on the device itself it's automatically unlocked. So let's check. I'm going to see on my lock screen now, it no longer has a PIN or password, so it has been reset. After the reset, you need to go down, swipe down and tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on lock screen, then tap on screen lock type, and in here you can then put in a new PIN or password and make sure this time you don't forget it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.